In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a project in Asana, the simple way. Duplicating a project is a quick way to reuse a successful setup without rebuilding everything from scratch. It's ideal for recurring processes like onboarding, campaigns, or sprints. Let's walk through it clearly and simply so you can create a clean copy in just a few clicks. First, start on the home page in Asana. This gives you a clear overview of your recent work and makes it easy to find what you need. Make sure you're in the correct workspace or team so the project you want is visible. Next, choose the project you want to duplicate and click to open it. You can select it from the left sidebar, from your recent items, or by using search if you have a lot of projects. Once the project opens, you'll be looking at its main view, whether that's list, board, or another layout. At the very top of the project, look for the small drop-down arrow next to the project's name. Click that arrow to open the Project Actions menu. If the arrow is hard to spot, hover near the title. In some layouts, this menu may appear as a three-dot icon, but it's in the same spot and opens the same options. From that menu, click Duplicate. This tells Asana you want to create a copy of the current project. You'll see a dialog appear where Asana outlines what will be included in the duplicate. Typically, it includes the project's structure, like sections or columns, and tasks. You may also notice options related to things like task descriptions, custom fields, assignees, and dates. If you're aiming for a straightforward copy of the framework, you can simply keep the defaults. The goal here is to preserve the bones of your workflow so you can tailor it later without rebuilding. Now, confirm by clicking Duplicate Project. Asana will begin creating the new version. If your project is large, it might take a moment, so give it a second to finish. When it's ready, you'll see the new project appear, usually with a name that indicates it's a copy. You can open it immediately and start adjusting details, like renaming the project, updating dates, or refining task owners once the duplicate exists. A couple of quick tips. If you don't see the duplicate option, you may need edit permissions on the project, so check with your admin or project owner. And remember, duplicating is great for consistency. Use it to standardize your best processes quickly and reliably. That's it. You've duplicated your project in Asana the simple way.